I'm Marc Pont. I'm originally from South Africa, but I've lived in Limburg for, I think, something over 22 years now. I studied at the Department of Data Science and Knowledge Engineering, and I studied data science as a bachelor and data science for decision making as a master's degree. At the moment, I'm a dedicated data scientist, and I work at a psychological healthcare company in which I develop models for data. I make statistical models, machine learning models. I'm looking into new AI applications that they can apply. I also lead a few people in the field into understanding how these models are applied. I develop different data architectures. And most of my work at the moment is actually programming and development of these models. During the studies, I learned not only how to work with a so-called stakeholder, being my professor, but I also learned how to work with the deadlines that belong to a project, managing my own work, and also trying to understand who can best do what within a project, because not everyone is strong at every single thing in a project, and finding the balance between who can achieve what in the smallest amount of time and also do it good. Yeah, that's quite difficult, and that's something that you don't want to learn during your first job, but you'd prefer to have experience with during your studies already. My future ambition at the moment is to become a lead data scientist. I'd like to not only have a group of data scientists to help find their way in the field, but I'd also like to help an organization grow their own team. And that's exactly what I'm doing at the organization I'm at the moment. Get to know people, join in with the groups, because it's a great faculty and the different backgrounds are great to learn from. Make sure that you also get to know each other, because the assignments you get here and the work you're doing here is best done with groups most of the time. Discussing what you've learned and discussing what you're trying to achieve is something that helps you a lot in studying. And I've also noticed that if you try to get to know a few of the professors, that it also helps a lot in understanding what's going on, because they have a vast amount of knowledge in the fields they're working in. It's great to get to know the research they're doing, to learn about the stuff they're learning about, and also understand how this applies to what you're learning at that moment.